Okay, so good afternoon to all of you. So I'm presenting my slides now. It is visible to everyone, right?
Yes, ठीक है.
Okay. So today we will discuss about IC 61850 standard and how to implement it in a substation and what will be the results or what will be the studies which we can do with this standard. So these are the contents. First, I will introduce about the standard, then its process bus communication, then a digital substation model which we have implemented in Jamia Research Lab, then the hardware results what we have got from the hardware model, that are process bus communications like goose and sample measure values, and protection study. Three types of protection study has been done: over current, earth fault, and over voltage. We can study more other protection also, but these three has been studied. Then client server communication and references. So first, coming to the introduction. So this standard we are using in substation automation system. First, I want to know that you BTech students, I think you have visited substations, right? If anyone visited, they can tell me what are the things they have seen in the substation. Anyone visited a substation? Substation you can see in distribution and also nearby your houses, right? So in distribution substation, there can be three types of substation. Like we know that power system are having three parts, right? What are the three parts? Generation, transmission, and distribution. And substation are situated in every end. Means generation plant is also having its own substations. Then transmission and distribution substations. So this SAS architecture can be placed in any of these three architecture, in power plant or transmission section or distribution section. So this standard is applicable in the substation to making it a digital substation, a smart substation, which will use to monitor or protect or control the operations of a substation. So coming to overview of IEC 61850 standard, IEC full form is International Electrotechnical Commission. It is actually a unit, or you can say an organization. They are publishing new standards every time, and it is an open architecture. They are adding new protocols to so that we can implement it in other sectors. Means IEC standard is not only applicable in power system, but it will be applicable in robotics or automobiles or any other sectors are also having IEC standards. And 61850 is basically a communication protocol which we'll use in the substation model to make the substation devices interoperable. So have you seen any the latest kind of IEDs or intelligent electronic devices? Anyone? Students, you can communicate. Switch on your mic and you can say whatever you have seen in substation or whatever the latest devices you know about power system, right? Because we need to know the devices first, then only we can understand its operations. So here you can see there are two type of IEDs which are showing. One is ACL IED, another one is ABB IED. So ACL and ABB are nothing but they are different manufacturers. There are more manufacturers, like you may have heard about Siemens and Alstom. They are also manufacturing this kind of intelligent electronic devices. What is this intelligent electronic devices? Like you know the operation of relays and breakers in a substation, right? We are using relay and circuit breaker for protection purposes in our substation. Now we are upgrading to latest type of relays, which are digital relays or microprocessor based relays, that are actually called IEDs, intelligent electronic devices. And these are also communicating with the circuit breaker, but these are having some additional features than a relay. A relay can only sense and send its signal to the circuit breaker for its operation. But IEDs are computer operative devices. They can store, they can send message, they can communicate with each other. Means one IED can talk to another IED, which relay cannot do. So that is why it is calling a smart device or intelligent electronic devices. Why intelligent? Because they have the thinking or the decision power, which relays can't take. So these standards why we need, because as I have told you that there are many manufacturers of these intelligent electronic devices. So we need, if in a substation we want to use different manufacturer devices, then we need to make it communicate, because as we know that configuration should be different, because that depends on the device or on the manufacturer. So they are publishing a standard which will be used worldwide, so that one ID can communicate to another ID and the operation can go on smooth. Okay, so there can be data modeling and fast and convenient communication will be happen between the devices, because that will be transferred with fiber optics and it will be completely computer controlled. Now this is the architecture. So in architecture, a substation, considering a substation, there are three levels in IEC 61850 communication standard: process level, bay level, and station level. So process level is actually the switch yard of a substation. Bay level is the control room of a substation, and station level is the monitoring part, which you can see in a power plant. So if you have visited any power plant, any one of you have visited any power plant, like any thermal station or any other hydro plant?
Yes, Ehtisham. Ehtisham. अमन, हाँ भाई, क्या जो क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है रिस्पांस मिलना चाहिए। और अगर आप लोगों ने, आप लोग थर्ड ईयर के स्टूडेंट्स हैं ना, एटलीस्ट
यस सर
जी थर्ड ईयर का है सर।
कोई पावर स्टेशन आप लोगों ने इस दौरान, क्योंकि कोरोना था, फिजिकली जाना कहीं पॉसिबल नहीं था, आप तो वर्चुअली देख सकते थे वीडियोस। हर पावर सब स्टेशन, पावर स्टेशन की वीडियोस अवेलेबल हैं। जस्ट खामोश रहना कोई क्लास का पर्पस हल नहीं करता। आप इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग के स्टूडेंट से ये एक्सपेक्ट किया जाता है, जो थर्ड ईयर फाइनल ईयर के स्टूडेंट्स हैं, दे मस्ट बी फेमिलियर विद द सब स्टेशन, दे शुड हैव सीन एनी सब स्टेशन। ट्रेन में जा रहे हैं, बस में जा रहे हैं आप लोग, रास्ते में बहुत से सब स्टेशन आते हैं, आपके आसपास है, आपकी सोसाइटी में, आपकी लोकेलिटी में क्या होता है एक सब स्टेशन में? सब स्टेशन में यूजुअली जस्ट ए ट्रांसफार्मर, प्रोटेक्टिव डिवाइसेस, सर्किट ब्रेकर्स, ये सब होता है। तो अगर कहीं अपॉर्चुनिटी आपको नहीं मिली, आपको खुद को जाना चाहिए, आपको जाके देखना चाहिए। आपकी इंजीनियरिंग फैकल्टी में सब स्टेशन है, कभी आइए कि हमारे से रिक्वेस्ट कीजिए, हम दिखा देंगे आपको। तो ये बैठे रहना खामोश, कोई टीचर क्वेश्चन कर रहा है और जवाब नहीं देना, ये पर्पस नहीं है एजुकेशन का। जस्ट क्लास अटेंड करने से ही नहीं काम चलेगा। जब तक आपको नॉलेज नहीं होगी, जब तक आप लोगों को जो स्टडी कर रहे हैं, इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग के स्टूडेंट को मैडम पूछ रही हैं कि आप लोगों ने क्या होता है सब स्टेशन पे, क्या आप रिलेज और सर्किट ब्रेकर्स के बारे में आपको कुछ नहीं मालूम? और अगर नहीं मालूम है तो आपका पर्पस बिल्कुल डिफीट हो रहा है, आप इंजीनियरिंग, इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग के स्टूडेंट होने के बाद।
सर मालूम है सर, लेकिन सर 4 टीचर क्लास में और कुछ गलत मुझसे निकल जाएगा तो सर
बिल्कुल नहीं, फर्स्ट ये हेजिटेशन नहीं होगा। ये हेजिटेशन से, ये लर्निंग स्टेज है, ये एग्जाम नहीं हो रहा क्लास में आपका। अगर क्लास में नहीं सीखेंगे आप तो कहाँ सीखेंगे? किसी को बिल्कुल हेजिटेट नहीं करना चाहिए। गलत हो आप बोलिए, कम से कम उसको करेक्ट करेंगे। जब आप एक स्टूडेंट कोई क्वेश्चन करेगा, क्लास में बैठे हुए 20 दूसरे स्टूडेंट्स को सुनेंगे और टीचर उसका जवाब देगा, 20 को फायदा होगा उसका।
जी सर, आप लोग पूछ सकते हो, जितना डिस्कस करोगे उतना ही अच्छा रहेगा, क्योंकि पावर सिस्टम, सबस्टेशन, इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग इसी के आसपास घूमता ही रहेगा। चाहे कोई भी सेक्शन में चले जाओ, पावर सिस्टम के बारे में, सबस्टेशन के बारे में आपको पता होना है। हो सकता है गलत बोलो, लेकिन बोलो ताकि चीजें सॉर्ट आउट हो, तभी तुम लोगों को पता चलेगा ना, थोड़ा सा इंटरेस्ट बढ़ेगा। पावर सिस्टम इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग सब्जेक्ट।
इस लैब का पर्पज ही ये है, देखिए हमारी कोशिश ये है आपको फर्स्ट जनरेशन जो है सर्किट ब्रेकर्स के, उसके बारे से लेके जो लेटेस्ट जनरेशन है सबके बारे में हम आप लोगों को बताएं। हमने आप इस लैब में आप लोगों ने इलेक्ट्रोमैकेनिकल रिलेज, डिजिटल रिलेज, स्टैटिक रिलेज, अब ये एक लेटेस्ट जो अभी बहुत से सब स्टेशन में आईईडीज है ही नहीं, हार्डली किसी स्टेशन, वो हम आपको बता रहे हैं कि कल को कम से कम आप कहीं जाएं, इंटरव्यू देने जाएं, एटलीस्ट यू शुड बी फेमिलियर व्हाट आर द आईईडीज, व्हाट आर 61850 protocols, what is the difference in circuit breakers and relays, what are the component of a substation, ये सब चीजें मालूम होनी चाहिए। आस्क एज मेनी क्वेश्चन एज यू कैन डू, कोई डाउट नहीं रहना चाहिए क्लास करने के बाद। आप लोगों को ये बिल्कुल नहीं है, वी विल बी वेरी हैप्पी टू आंसर द क्वेरीज।
यस सर।
चलिए
ठीक है। तो सो प्रोसेस लेवल इज द स्विच यार्ड और सबस्टेशन। अगर आप लोगों ने सबस्टेशन नहीं देखा है तो like you can see from the outside also, substation is having a complicated part which is showing outside. There is big devices like transformer है, वहाँ पे breaker है, फिर isolators, ये सारी चीजें लगी हुई है, और साथ में एक रूम होता है जिसके अंदर engineers बैठे होते हैं, and they are having some cupboard like installations inside the control room, and that are having relays on it. Okay, so that room is called control room, and that outside part is switchyard. So here process level is the switchyard section, means the open field section. So there we are having measuring devices which we are using in power system, as it is a high voltage and high current rating system. So we are using CT and PTs, right? CT PT आप लोगों को पता होगा, current transformer and potential transformers. So they are measuring the voltage and current. There can be other also substation devices in the field which are taking the measurement, like sensors also. So in process level,
तनु जस्ट ए मिनट, आप बताइए व्हाट इज द पर्पस ऑफ इंस्टॉलिंग सीटी एंड पीटीज इन द सबस्टेशन? कैन एनीबडी आंसर?
this is easy. You should know CT and PT. From the name only you can understand what are the measuring units.
Let them answer. बताएं, गलत सरल जैसा भी आंसर आप लोगों को मालूम है बताइए।
Sir, it is used to measure high current and high voltage and reduce it to a parameter.
It is not a measuring device. करंट मेजर किया जाता है एमीटर से और वोल्टेज वोल्ट मीटर से। इट इज नॉट ए मेजरिंग डिवाइस। ये नहीं क्या आप सीटी और पीटी लगा के ये बता देंगे कि 5 एम्पियर करंट फ्लो कर रही है और 20 एम्पियर करंट फ्लो कर रही है।
वोल्टेज कम और ज्यादा करने के लिए
इसमें कोई स्केल नहीं होता सीटी पीटी में, इसमें कोई इंडिकेटर नहीं होता, कोई डिस्प्ले नहीं होगा कि इस वक्त करंट इतनी फ्लो कर रही है। क्या बोला आपने आयुष? व्हाट इज इट इज?
सब वोल्टेज कम और ज्यादा करने के लिए, हाई वोल्टेज और लो वोल्टेज।
हाँ, वोल्टेज कम और ज्यादा करने के लिए। वेरी गुड। वोल्टेज की सब स्टेशन पे कम और ज्यादा करने की क्यों जरूरत पड़ रही? व्हाई वी नीड सीटीज एंड पीटीज?
तो क्योंकि अलग अलग जगह पे यूजेस में अलग अलग टाइप का वोल्टेज का मतलब पावर रेट यूज होता है, अलग लेवल ऑफ वोल्टेज।
That purpose fulfill transformer. One is current transformer, one is transformer. The two are different things. Current transformer is different, transformer is different. Two winding transformer is different. Auto transformer is different. करंट ट्रांसफार्मर बेटा जो है, जो आपका प्रोटेक्टिव डिवाइसेस लगे हैं, जो रिलेज हैं आपके, वो लो करंट रेटिंग डिवाइसेस हैं, 2 एम्पियर, 1 एम्पियर, 5 एम्पियर। और जो करंट आप हैंडल कर रहे हैं, इंटरप्ट जो कर रहे हैं फॉल्ट केसेस में, वो हाई करंट है, थाउजेंड्स ऑफ एम्पियर्स, 2000 ऑफ एम्पियर्स। तो इंटरफेस जिस ट्रांसमिशन लाइन को आप प्रोटेक्ट कर रहे हैं उसमें बहुत हाई करंट फ्लो कर रही है, लेकिन जो आपका रिले है, प्रोटेक्टिव डिवाइसेस है, उनमें बहुत करंट फ्लो, दे कांट अफोर्ड करंट बियॉन्ड 5 एम्पियर्स। तो इन बिटवीन जो इंटरफेस का काम करते हैं, जो ट्रांसमिशन लाइन के बीच में और प्रोटेक्टिव डिवाइसेस के बीच में, हम सीटीज एंड पीटीज लगाते हैं। तो सीटीज पीटीज का काम ये है कि प्राइमरी करंट हैविंग वेरी हाई करंट and it step down to the secondary current, secondary winding जो होती है उसमें 1 एम्पियर और 5 एम्पियर, थाउजेंड्स एम्पियर को 1 एम्पियर 5 एम्पियर के इक्विवेलेंट पुट करती है। तो ये पर्पज है सीटी और पीटी का। ये इसमें कोई मीटर नहीं लगता, जैसे लैब में आपने करंट मेजर करते हैं, 1 एम्पियर फ्लो कर रही है, 2 एम्पियर फ्लो कर रही है, बिल्कुल नहीं। तो पहली चीज ये क्लियर होनी चाहिए, इट इज नॉट ए मेजरिंग डिवाइस। Used to measure the voltage. CTs are not used to measure the current. CTs are used to step down the current. Step down. Okay? Any doubt? Please ask. Yes, Tanu?
Yes.
Continue.
So the rating from the field which has been measured, V and I or other signals, that will be transferred to the control room, or you can say here it bay level, where we are having control and protection, means control and protection devices that are nothing but IEDs, intelligent electronic devices, that are placed inside the control room. अब ये जो बस जिसके through from process level, bay level, the data will be traveling, that is called process bus, and that will be connected through LAN wires. Now next level is station level. Station level is like, if not in a substation, but it can be in a national grid, or it can be in a central substation, where we need to monitor whatever is going on in our substation or in other substation. There we are having some HMI units or substation gateways for communicating to other units also, and this station level are having normal computers, and they are having some SCADA software or some latest software which will be doing the monitoring part, and also whatever controlling we want, we can send the signal back to bay level and back to process level. So it is a two-way communication. Now these are the devices you can see, modern CTVT, modern switchgear. Then it is connected through a Ethernet. This is called Ethernet switch, जो connected है to IEDs and bay controllers. Then again it is connected through this Ethernet to the router to other centers or HMIs. So I have told you what is process level, which are taking information from the transducers or sensors and sending to upper level, which is bay level. Bay level is having the data from process level, and they are actually taking it inside the IEDs, and IEDs will do their operation. जैसे कि relay जिस तरीके से operate करता है, the same way they will operate and take decision, and also data log the events in their data logging system. Then आता है station level, where we will monitor whatever operations has been happened in a substation. Now this is process bus communication, the process level and bay level communication, which we have installed in the lab. There we are having two IEDs, which both are from ABB, one merging unit which is from VG Max. This is a separate vendor. Then Omicron is the testing kit. Here Omicron will only inject the V and I value, because we have not connected it to a live substation. Now then they are connected to this Ethernet switch like you have seen in the architecture, and it is connected to two PCs. One is the client PC, means here the engineer will sit and see whatever happening or whatever controlling operation they want to do, they can send signal from this client PC. Next is the server PC. ये station level के तरह है. This PC, from this PC you can monitor and control what is happening inside this process bus. So ये original जो unit बनाया गया है, single line, this is a single line feeder substation in our lab. Okay, so these are the IDs. ये ABB के दो IDs हैं, ये Ethernet switch है, ये server PC है, ये client PC, this is the merging unit and this is the Omicron. Okay, so Omicron is injecting input through this merging unit to the IDs. Why through this merging unit? Now merging unit क्या चीज है? This is a unit which is used to convert the signal from analog to digital. क्योंकि IDs are intelligent electronic devices and they can understand only digital form of communication. That is why we need to first transfer the V and I into sampling form. Then ये digital signal बन जाएगा and it will be transferred to the IDs. Now these all are connected through the LAN wires, but IDs will be connected through these patch cables. Why to these patch cables? So that communication will be faster. So these are the devices. A distance protection type of ID, Bay controller ID, Ethernet switch, merging unit and Omicron test kit. Now the results. So this, you can see the ID which we have discussed already. You can see the diagram. This is data logging. They are having all the previous जो भी incidents होंगे, you can monitor any time and you can take it from its disturbance recorder. And
Ma'am, what is the difference of between that ID and IED 61580 something?
IED 6, no, IED is the device and IEC 61850 is the protocol. Protocol means whatever configurations you are giving inside the substation. Configuration जैसे computer programming हम करते हैं ना, तो IEC 61850 एक XML marker language है. XML marker आप लोगों को पता है ना, HTML. उसी तरीके से HTML या Notepad में coding किया जाता है. Okay, so that are the configuration files. जो IEC protocol is a configuration files, जिसको हमें ये IED के अंदर, merging unit के अंदर एंड जो भी सबस्टेशन डिवाइसेस के अंदर है उसके अंदर कॉन्फ़िगर करते हैं थ्रू दिस प्रोटोकॉल. एंड आईडी इज द डिवाइस. ओके, ये डिवाइस आईडी है. So now coming to first type of messaging, which is GOOS, generic object oriented substation events. What does it mean? नाम से ही पता चल रहा है कि general जो भी events हो रहे हैं of any object in the substation, that will be taken as an event and that will be communicated between the IEDs. GOOS communication making the system smarter. Why? Because जैसे पहले बोला गया था, IEDs can communicate with each other. Means one bay में जितने भी IEDs लगे होंगे, think about a complex and big substation, not a smaller one like in the lab. So there many IEDs are there connected in a bay controller. So if one circuit breaker is switching, then there can be a overloading of a line because there is a fault, and that overloading can create another fault in another line because of overloading, right? So that situation can be handled with this GOOS message. What it will do, जब IEDs में किसी भी एक में अगर fault signal आता है, it will communicate easily to another IEDs also of the same bay unit. So they will understand that there is a fault in a line, so you need to shift the load to another lines, or you need to shed the load, means load shedding करना. So these things can be done with the help of the IEDs, and GOOS message basically that is why it is a protection type of critical message, time critical message, which should be traveled between 4 milliseconds. Okay, so this GOOS message are also publisher subscriber message. Why publisher subscriber? It means जिस भी IED में जो भी IED सेंस कर रहा है उसके लाइन में या उसके ब्रेकर में फॉल्ट, that will be a publisher ID because that will publish the message, and all other IDs will be subscriber ID जो connected है to the same ID, same bay controller. So this is the type of message you can see. Between the two IDs we have checked GOOS travel कर रहा है कि नहीं. PCM 600, this is the software from ABB. जैसे आप लोगों को Dixie का भी पता होगा. Dixie is a software from Siemens. That is a configuration software for Siemens IDs only, and PCM 600 is a configuration software for ABB IDs only. So PCM 600 में हम पूरा प्रोजेक्ट बना के then we have run the project and we have got this outputs. So you can see there is boost send message. This is from one relay, REC relay, and this is REL relay which has been received the boost received within 4 milliseconds. We have got the timing within 2 milliseconds in fact. So this is I was saying you that we can take anytime the events in a substation from disturbance report file. So these are the files which will be stored in the IDs, जो क्या करते हैं past, present and future के सारे events को modeling भी करते हैं and store भी करते हैं. इसी के through एक substation engineer can model also what will be the future behavior of a substation. Okay. So you can see the ratings also from this full detailing and also the phases. So just for example purpose, what we have done, we have as boost एक या digital signal है, जैसे हमने बताया कि IDs can read only digital signals. So हमने क्या किया है, boolean जो 00011011 को configure कर दिया है 4 gate signal में 1 ID में, and when we are tripping manually, then that signal is transferring from this ID to this ID, और ये जो LEDs है ये on हो जाते हैं. तो इसी से हमें पता चल रहा है कि goos are traveling well between the IDs. Now coming to sampled measured values. Sampled measured values क्या है? This is not about any breaker signal or anything. Any normal signal जो भी voltage, current और substation जो भी measured values है, that will be transferred as a digital form, means sampled message form. So that are SMVs which are traveling from the process level to the bay level. So our substation in lab that हमने उसका rating लिया है 220 kV and 1 kilo ampere. Okay, and injecting Omicron value is 100 volt and 1 ampere. Why? ये values कैसे change होंगे? Merging unit is actually having TRM. TRM is turns ratio multiplier inside the merging unit. जब हम 100 volt and 1 ampere Omicron से input करेंगे, उसका ratio हमने ऐसे set किया है 1:2200 and 1000:1, जिससे क्या होता है, वो कन्वर्ट होके 220 kV and 1 किलो एम्पियर ही ट्रांसफर करेगा आईडी में. ओके, सो एंड वाई 57.7 बिकॉज हमने 100 को डिवाइडेड बाय √3 फेज वैल्यूज लिए. सो यू कैन सी दिस आर द मॉनिटरिंग वैल्यूज. ये जो है ये है PCM 600. दिस इज PCM 600. ओके, सो सी दिस इज द प्रोजेक्ट जामिया रिसर्च इनसाइड सबस्टेशन वोल्टेज लेवल बे. अब बे में हमने 2 आईडीज लगाई है, REC एंड REL. And inside REC there is also ID configuration files and application configuration files. तो ये जो configuration details है इसकी detailing है in this IEC 61850 standard. So you can see 1 kilo ampere, almost 1 kilo ampere मिल रहा है. These are live real time results. Every section we are almost getting 1 kilo ampere. Okay, and voltage is around 126 kV. Why 126 kV? Again 220 divided by √3, which is around 127. So there is a software Wireshark. Wireshark software आप normally भी use करते हैं. This is using for any network, any communication network में. These are used for checking the data packets. So in sample value we have checked using this Wireshark software. They are saying the length and every details you can get, or frame number, everything from this Wireshark software. So coming to protection study, इसमें हमने IDMT curves obtain किए. IDMT curves जैसे relays में भी हम obtain करते हैं, inverse definite minimum time curve. उसमें क्या होता है, we have studied for increasing value of currents. जब भी current की value increase होगी, response time should be lesser. So that type of curve we have obtained in this 3 type of protection. Or in this 2 type of, actually over voltage doesn't follow any IDMT, that will be a fixed point of operation. So over current, earth fault and over voltage, 3 types of protection we have studied. So there also we are using TMS value. जैसे हम TMS also we are using in relays, time multiplier setting, just to make the response means increasing or decreasing the response time of a relay. उसके लिए हम TMS का use करते हैं. This is the equation for TMS, and this type of characteristics we need to obtain. This is the value of T calculation. These are basically standard equation in IEC 61850, and whatever type of curve you obtain, बिकॉज यहाँ पे 3 तरीके की कर्व होता है, आईसी स्टैंडर्ड कर्व, वेरी इनवर्स कर्व एंड एक्सट्रीमली इनवर्स कर्व. सो वी हैव स्टडीड ओनली स्टैंडर्ड इनवर्स कर्व जो नॉर्मली रिलेज में भी आते हैं. So there is a equation for calculation of time, that is TMS multiplied by beta by I by IS to the power alpha minus 1, by I by IS is PSM plus PMS plus multiplier setting. And beta and alpha depends on the type of curve you are taking. Beta is actually relay constant and alpha is the inverse type, means out of these 3 types, any one type. That depends on the
मुबशिर, मुबशिर, yes, continue Tanu.
Okay, so these are the time calculation equation which I have explained. Now this is the protection curve, IDMT curve we have get with this overcurrent protection. What we have taken 3 values of increasing current multiplied by 2, multiplied by 5 and multiplied by 10 of the trip value. और tripping value हमने लिया है 120% of our normal current, which is 1.2 kiloampere. And these are the respective time values corresponding to the current. Also in earth fault also we have taken 3 increasing value of current, and these are the 3 value of time. In over voltage, as it will not follow any IDMT curve, it will be a fixed point of operation, because if we will take any IDMT or any lagging of time, that there can be a complete outage of a substation. That is why the operation of IED in over voltage protection should be in a fixed point of time. So हमने set किया था within 5 seconds. If voltage value is above 120%, then it should operate, and we are getting 5.0036 seconds. So now coming to the 2 PCs which we have installed, a client PC, a server PC. So we can now monitor from the server PC goose values and SMV values. This is the goose. It is showing that goose value has been transmitted and it is true in sniffer application of IED Scout. IED Scout is another software which is a trial version or a licensed version you can use in a substation PC to monitor and control of other IEDs in a client or remote location. And this is the voltage and current values or sample measured values of REC 670 relay. You can see exactly 219 or approximately 220 kV and 1 kiloampere we are monitoring from the server PC. So conclusion of the complete study, a digital substation model has been studied here. Process bus communication, goose and sample measured values has been studied. 3 types of protection has been also tested. With this system also distance protection type of fault and another more type of fault we can also measure, but due to as we are not having licensed Omicron, that is why we have studied this 3 type of protection. So Abhi, if you have any queries you can ask. Anyone any queries? और आप लोगों को कोई चीजें जैसे होता है और भी चीजें जो पता होता है मॉडबस के बारे में या DNP3 या कोई लेटेस्ट चीजें so which we can relate with this IEC, then you can discuss, you can ask me, which will help you in future. So no queries.
ओके सर्वर सर, आप लोग ने गूगल मीट पे, गूगल क्लासरूम में उन्होंने एक पेपर इससे रिलेटेड, जिसमें सारा जो भी मैडम ने भी डिस्कस किया है वो सब डिस्क्राइब है, वो पेपर उन्होंने अपलोड किया हुआ है गूगल क्लासरूम में, और कुछ क्वेश्चंस भी डाले हैं, तो वो उनके आंसर्स आपको उस पेपर को पढ़िए और उनके आंसर्स एक रिपोर्ट बना के सबमिट कीजिए। उसके बारे में सर्वर सर आप लोगों को बता देंगे। तो दैट इज इट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे। थैंक यू सो मच Tanushree for your excellent presentation, and
Thank you, sir, and thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Tanushree. Really, it was enlightening. Very good.
Thank you.
Thank you.
तो अबरार साहब, इन फिर बच्चों को सर्वर ने कोई पेपर भेज दिया है,
जी 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 सर।
तो वो भी और कुछ क्वेश्चन भी, और स्टूडेंट अपनी रिपोर्ट सबमिट करते हैं। ओके, थैंक यू।